the new governor-elect will not embarrass, will not disappoint you people. Are you hearing me? The governor-elect will not disappoint you people. He will even do better than me. But with your support, you can go home and sleep with your 2 eyes closed. Okay. We're almost finishing the slaughterhouse. And then we're building a market for you there inside. And this, we have to commission it before I leave office. So that is what I want to tell all of you. We want to start the park and the market immediately. And that will create jobs for us. And I'll make sure that those who are around here will be the direct beneficiaries of this new job. What I will appeal to you is to continue to give the contractors the support so that they can finish on time. But let me also use this to thank all of you for supporting us in the last election. We're paid 100%. I just approved the award of contract for the market to complement the slaughter. But the quality of job well done, we're satisfied. And they've told me that before the end of April, they would have completed that abattoir, which is a modern abattoir. Because when we see what happens where our people buy meat, so unhygienic, and nobody would want to accept that. But this is a modern abattoir where animals, cows and goats will be killed in a more civilized way. It is done according to the best practice. Then this magistrate court, yes, we thought we ought to have completed this by December, but because of 1 or 2 amendments made, but I believe before the end of April, we can see this all been furnished, or they are doing the external works, which will not take them more than a month. But by and large, we are very happy. Promises were made, we're almost there. And this magistrate will be the best. The magistrate court will be the best. In fact, people come and ask what kind of magistrates are we talking about that will have this kind of structure. I say, well, we must give the best, the enhanced quality of work from them. If you want them to give their best, the environment where they work must also be conducive. Well, if you see what we've done from the front view, is use an allocoban in order to reduce the amount of maintenance, Well, the judiciary, the chief judge is in charge as far as the judiciary is concerned, and then they put in the money to maintain it in their yearly budget. It don't require much, it's just that what happens here is that most of us lack the culture of maintenance. Some people believe that government property is not their property, and therefore they don't care. But for me, wherever you stay, you must assume that it is a property and you maintain it the way you maintain your own personal property. So for me, I believe that the chief judge will do the right thing to making sure that the structures are well maintained, because nobody will come here and say such and this, and then next few years the city will run down. No, nobody will be happy about that. I believe the chief judge will do the needful.